Once upon a time, there was a little boy with his pet monkey. And that monkey was very good. He won't drop bananas at the floor. He would go to the trash and lay it there. And also he wouldn't slap anyone. He would just hug them. And also one time, the king monkey saw the monkey, so he wanted him back. And then he was the enemy, and the little boy was the good guy. And they run, and the little boy said, "Throw a banana at him, monkey." And then the monkey said, "No, I am too nice to do that." And then he said, "Just get your face in it." And then the monkey said, "Okay." Then he got a banana. And then he got his ultra power. Then the banana grew bigger and bigger. And then he threw it at the king monkey. Then he was far away from his home. And then he go to the desert. The end.